Okay, everybody, it's Thursday, May 18th, I think. We're heading to the Nevada Open Road Challenge. It's like 5:30 in the morning. I don't know, car's loaded up, truck's ready to go. So follow along and head to Nevada, about a 9-hour drive. Later. Okay, under the bridge, on our way to Nevada. Okay, so we're starting to climb the Sierras on our way to Ely, Nevada. Let's get a clip out the snow up here. We're getting closer to the summit. We just passed Nyack and Blue Camp. Okay, so we're climbing up 80, we're almost to the summit. We didn't think there was that much snow, and then we climbed another, 1,000 feet. As you can see now, there is still a lot of snow. So it's May 18th, and there is still a ton of snow up here. Actually here, Donner Pass ski area, so we're basically at the summit now, and yeah, there's a lot of snow. It's gonna be a long time till this all melts. Damn guys, still tailgating. Okay, so we're actually in Nevada now. We're heading down on the backside of the Sierras. Gorgeous, gorgeous country. Actually, I think I like the backside of these Sierras probably more than the front side. I mean, look at this. Absolutely stunning. Here, Dave says I need to be more animated like Amelia, and I don't even know her last name, the one that's got all the car stuff on, because she's got a lot of viewers. So, hey everybody, look at this. We're gonna look at this view. Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. This is incredible. Look at this. I am so excited. Yeah, it just doesn't fly, does it? But we'll give this a shot. We'll throw that up. Okay, so we're just past Fallon, Nevada, out here in the middle. As you can see, not a whole lot going on. And we still have 266 more miles to go. So, yeah, there's still a lot of driving to do. So, look at these sand dunes here. We're, I don't know, 20 minutes east of Fallon on, was it Highway 95? 50. And then you got these mountains coming up. But yeah, these sand dunes, pretty cool. And then it looks like Bonneville salt dunes, salt flats all around here. So, pretty amazing. We're still driving out here in the middle of nowhere. Haven't seen anything for quite a while. We still have 189 miles to get to Ely. It's beautiful country, but it is desolate. Just nothing. Middle of nowhere, look at this view. Nice, perfectly straight road for the next, I don't know, mile maybe. Drops down into this little valley, and just the snow-covered mountains. Unbelievable. We're still making our way. We got about 134 miles left to go to Ely, Nevada. You got this weird cloud shadow on the road. This perfectly straight road that just goes on for, I don't know, 2 miles, maybe 3 miles. So now we're into the shadow, and you can see the sun on the other side. Pretty cool. Gorgeous country. We're now coming into the town of Eureka, Nevada. We're about 70 miles from Ely, and we're still out here in the middle of nowhere. And this town is jumping. Well, not really. Not much going on here. Looks like another old mining town of some sort, but yeah. Land for lease. Probably get land out here for dirt cheap. So we've just arrived in Ely, however you want to pronounce it. Yeah. Definitely out in the middle of nowhere.
But that's a great coffee shop on the corner there.
This and that.
The one on the corner. I don't know what it's called.
So more video to follow.
Jailhouse.
Oh, I think that's where we're staying, the Jailhouse Motel.
Go left on the next one, 5th Street.
So we're here on the trailer. It looks like Corvette Central, other than a cool old Mustang over there, but a lot of Corvettes. Okay, so we're heading over to tech inspection right now. Don't know if you can hear me or not, because this thing is loud. Sounds badass though. A lot better than all these Corvettes. Okay, so we're out here at Tech Check-In for the Nevada Open Road Challenge, and we'll walk you down some of the cars. We got a boss through too. We got this beautiful 911 Porsche. Gorgeous looking car right there. Another Dodge. I guess it's a Hellcat. Don't know. We got this Callaway Z06. We got a brand new C8 Z06. Another Dodge. Yeah, a lot of Corvettes here. Another Corvette here. Then we got our car that we're driving. Looks like GT350 Mustang. I think it's a GT500 Mustang right here. Yeah, full set out. Check that thing out. Full cage in there. We got this, looks like Trans Am race car here on a trailer. Another Corvette. And then we have a GT50 Mustang. So, as you can see, a lot of Corvettes, Mustangs, and then a mishmash of other cars. So definitely Daytona is the coolest car here, bar none. But that's just my opinion. So this is a Hellcat, and we've got the hood vents, and the hood vents blew out at 168 miles an hour as the hood was kind of lifting. Broke the, or hit the windshield and the roof. Okay, so I know this video is a little bit long, a little bit boring, but I want to break this whole Nevada Open Road Challenge, Silver State Classic down in multiple episodes. I want everyone to see exactly what goes into making this thing work, how you do it, how you get there, what the safety equipment is required. So it's going to be probably 4 episodes, 4 videos. I'm thinking. So the next one is probably going to be the drag race, and then I'll probably go into the road race, the event, the awards banquet afterwards, kind of throw a little everything up so people see the whole deal. Because there's really not much online. There really is not many videos out there. But then again, you only have 100 or 200 people a year that do this. So how many are idiots like me that decide to go hog wild? I don't know. But so this one here was basically our drive up, and then it showed us getting tech inspected. I didn't do a whole video on what exactly the tech inspection requires, so I'm going to go into that now. So we were in the touring group, rookie touring group. So you're maxed out at 124 miles an hour, and they have different classes. You can start at 95, I think it's 105, 110, 115, something like that. That is the touring group. Safety stuff. 2.5 pound fire bottle, standard 3-point harnesses that most cars come with. I think this tires are, H rated, V rated, I'm not even sure. Pretty minimal. You gotta have your Snell 2015 helmet, gloves, cotton clothes, long sleeve shirt, cotton pants, cotton or leather type shoes, non-burning. Once you step up to the Grand Touring group, then you need harnesses. A lot of the other stuff is the same, but you've got to have the harnesses. So that a lot of people go touring because they don't want to put harness bars and all that crap in their car. Complicates things. We're going to be in the Grand Touring next time. That way we can take it up to 140. Probably do the 120 or 125 average group, but max is 140. So looking forward to that. After that, you go to Grand Sport. That's when it gets serious. That's when you want, definitely 5 or 6 point harnesses. You got to have racing, non-flammable, not racing jacket, racing pants. So the cost starts really going up once you get to Grand Sport. So that's where probably I'll end up Grand Touring and never go any further, because I think then you can go to like 160 Grand Sport. 140 I think is going to be my max limit, but we'll see. I may not even be 140. I may get to 130 and go, I'm done. We did 136 in Dave's, the abandoned one, and it did pretty well at 136. I mean, the first time I did it, I'll be honest with you, I was a little scared. I was passenger. We did the mile drags, and we hit 136, and I was like, ooh, that's a little scary. And then the second time I was like, oh, okay, that's a little more comfortable. And the third time I was like, let's go faster. It's like everything else in life. But so we had to go inspection. They went through and they checked our helmet, our clothes, the car. Pretty straightforward, but it takes a little bit of time, and they dig through it all and make sure it's all compliant. You got to have the SFI stickers on your clothing. Since we teched in as Grand Sport, since we were doing the mile drags, miles got to be done as Grand Sport. So we needed to have the SFI. I forget what it is, 3-2-5, 5-second clothing burn or whatever it is. So they had to go through and tech all that out. We had to have the racing shoes, couldn't have just standard shoes. So definitely it's a step above Grand Touring. So Grand Touring is where I'm going to probably slide into for next time, either in September or in May. Not sure, depends on how the summer goes. You can only get so much slammed into a summer. So this was our deal. We got up there late Thursday. We teched in Thursday afternoon, and then I'll show the drag race. And they did both half and full mile drag runs. But this way I can show you guys exactly what's going on, exactly how this whole thing works. And if you're bored, just kick to the next video or fast forward. But appreciate that. So thanks again for watching. Appreciate everybody out there. Hit subscribe, and the next video I say will be the drags, and we'll go from there. So hopefully 4 videos, and we'll have this thing wrapped up, and then we'll go on to the next adventure. So thanks again, and we'll talk to you later.